Come closer. I want to tell you something. I want to show you how to earn from your social media, even if you have only 100 followers. You don't need to be an influencer or a big content creator to go viral, to start earning online, or you don't even need to go viral to start earning online. All you need is a smart link from Monetag. A special link that automatically sends your visitors to the most relevant offers that pay you for every click. Whether your traffic comes from Facebook, X, formerly known as Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok, or any social media platform at all, that one link can start turning your post into profit. I know you've tried different things to earn or to even hit all those minimum threshold on Facebook, on YouTube, on TikTok, but it's taking forever for you to start earning money. That's because location can be a limit. In fact, other platforms like this doesn't even show you relevant content to your audience. The traditional links just does not work. You lose money every single time the offer doesn't fit the audience. Now, if you try to fix it manually, managing your CPA networks, updating links, tracking, it's exhausting. There has to be a smarter way to make every click from your social media to count. That is where Monetag SmartLink comes in. It's not just another link, it's like an intelligent traffic router. When someone clicks your Monetag SmartLink, it automatically detects their country, their device, their interests, and instantly sends them to the best paying offer that's perfect for them. There is no unnecessary stressful setup, no managing multiple networks. You just share your link and Monetag does the rest. Now, what kind of content can you create that will help you make money with Monetag SmartLink? Now, we're looking at finance and investment content, showing people how to build passive income streams, for example. We're looking at technology and gadgets, showing people the top five must have gadgets, or even telling them about the latest iPhones, right? And then health and fitness, things like 30-day homework challenge, home workout challenge, or even beauty and fashion content, showing people the different kind of fashion trends they can wear in the winter time, in summer, and all of that. Or travel and adventure, show people the different parts of the world, hidden gems in places like Europe, Canada, Australia, or even education and career, how to build a successful freelance career. And what even makes it better is that the CPM rates are so competitive that you can even earn more for every view or click that you get on those links. You get worldwide offers. Monetag works with thousands of advertisers from every geographical location, and the payout is fast. You withdraw your earnings starting from $5. 247 support, real humans ready to help whenever you need them, so that you can focus on creating content that can help you make money from Monetag. Now, here's a proof. This student earned $200 a day just by monetizing his Facebook and Twitter traffic. He added the link to his bio, his blog, and dropped it in a few posts. And in less than a week, he started seeing consistent clicks that was turning into real earnings. That's when it hits me. Traffic is traffic. You don't need thousands of followers. You just need a smart way to start monetizing the people that already follow you now. Monetag has been around for years, trusted by thousands of publishers and advertisers worldwide. So whether you are a content creator, a blogger, or a community owner, you can finally make your traffic work for you. So here's what you can do next. Create your account. Here's how to go about getting your smart link. Then watch your traffic, no matter how small, no matter how small the following is, no matter how small your engagement is, you can start earning so that Monetag will start paying you back. Because it's not about how many followers you have, it's about how smartly you can use them. Monetag Smart Link is one link that gives you unlimited earning power. So, what are you going to do today? Click the link in the description below to get started. Monetag has been around for years, trusted by thousands of publishers and advertisers worldwide. So whether you are a content creator, a blogger, or a community owner, you can finally make your traffic work for you. So here's what you can do next. Create your account. Here's how to go about getting your smart link.
So first and first, you create your account with your original details. Don't use an alias. Use your original details. Click on continue with Google to quickly sign up with your your Gmail address, and sign up with your original details. So it's going to help you when you start paying out your earnings. So now you've opened up here, just simply go to direct link. On a direct link, this is where you get your smart link. All you have to just to click the button at the top and you'll see add a link. So when you click on that add a link, you're going to have a link that looks like this, and you can create as many as possible. You can see the statistics. Now, how do you get paid? There are multiple options like I mentioned before. You can get paid in cryptocurrency, you can get paid in PayPal, you can get paid in Skrill, you can get paid in Payoneer. And each of these options have their minimum payout threshold. So, but you have an option of paying out as little as $5. Like I said, depending on your payment option, the option that you are going with. And you can see now that you have, like, the ball is literally in your court. The ball is literally in your court, right? And nothing is stopping you from earning as much as possible. And you don't have to wait to hit the thresholds of your platform you're using, or Facebook or YouTube or any of those things. You can start earning immediately as long as people are coming to your platform and they're liking what you're talking about, what you're posting. So another way you can also earn is through your referral program as well. Now that you've seen that this thing can pay you, you can also refer your friends, your family, people around you, your audience, and your followers, so that they can also start earning, because when they earn as well, you also earn some commission too. So make sure you maximize this thing. I mean, it's never been this easy before. It has never been this easy before. Just simply monetize and earn from your traffic as soon as you can create your account, right? As soon as you already have a handful of following. So now you can see, you can even check how your links are doing. You can look at the traffic of each link. You can copy the link and place it anywhere. Your bio, just anywhere people see it, on your status, just anywhere. And then you can read this to see other.
Then watch your traffic, no matter how small, no matter how small the following is, no matter how small your engagement is, you can start earning so that Monetag will start paying you back. Because it's not about how many followers you have, it's about how smartly you can use them. Monetag SmartLink is one link that gives you unlimited earning power. So, what I go to do today, click the link in the description below to get started.